Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make yellow chili powder. We'll cover everything from selecting the right chilies to the final grinding process. This guide will help you create a vibrant, flavorful spice right in your own kitchen. Making your own chili powder ensures freshness and allows you to control the intensity. Let's get started with the first crucial steps for a perfect result. Once your chilies are clean, the next step is proper drying. You can sun-dry them on a clean cloth or tray, turning them occasionally until they become crisp. Alternatively, a food dehydrator set to 120 degrees Fahrenheit works wonderfully, typically taking 6 to 8 hours. The key is to remove all moisture, making them easy to grind and ensuring a long shelf life for your powder. For an even deeper flavor profile, consider lightly roasting your dried chilies. Just a few minutes in a dry pan over medium heat will bring out their essential oils and aroma. Be careful not to burn them. After roasting, let them cool completely. This step is crucial before grinding. If your chilies are large, break them into smaller pieces to help your grinder work more efficiently. Now for the final step, grinding your chilies into a fine powder. Use a dedicated spice grinder or a powerful blender. Grind in short bursts to prevent overheating, which can affect flavor. Once ground, you can sift the powder to ensure a consistent, fine texture, regrinding any larger pieces. Store your vibrant yellow chili powder in an airtight container away from light and heat to maintain its freshness for up to 6 months.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.